Hi guys, it's me again, Gum Cruz, Pomade Cartel, Mizutani Philippines, and Room by Gum. So ngayon mag-unbox tayo ng dalawang items. So these two items are my gift for myself since this coming June 2021, I will be celebrating my third year of being a barber. So with all of our efforts, so kumbaga since nagtrabaho naman tayo ng mabuti, we poured our hearts out para on a daily basis to work and improve our craft. So I chose these two para maging regalo sila sa sarili ko for my third year. And currently, nag-graduate din kasi ako sa school natin sa UK. Kumbaga parang I'm doing online classes pero in a proper barbering school which is based in United Kingdom, yung OP Barber World. Nag-graduate na rin tayo dun for our first year. So again, to reward myself, I bought these two pampakonsuelo. So first is a Mizutani scissor. If hindi kayo familiar with Mizutani, Mizutani is a scissor brand from Japan na handcrafted to eh. So they really, kumbaga pinaghirapan talaga nila tong brand na to. Trivia for you guys, it takes a minimum of 3 months to make one scissor of these. Kaya medyo may kamahalan sila, pero kasi yung dahilan dun is yung craftsmanship behind each scissor. So this is a Mizutani We Love Hair 6.0 in black titanium coating. Tapos meron tayong pinalagay na pina-customize natin to ng konti, pina-personalize natin. And then the other one is medyo nabukas ko na siya since sabi ng delivery guy kailangan ko lang munang i-check. Pero hindi ko pa siya nabuksan all throughout. So this is a Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. So unbox natin yan. For anything else, start na natin siya. So let's start off with the Mizutani scissor. It comes in their signature orange box. Tapos parang may silver siya na Mizutani. Yan. When you buy a Mizutani scissor, dapat ganito lang siya. Pero for Mizutani Philippines, meron tayong promo wherein kapag bumili kayo ng scissor, meron kayong free comb, which is either the original Mizutani comb CB20 or yung kulay black na comb, or yung Sesibon in collaboration with Mizutani, which is an orange scissor. So tinanggal ko na muna yung accessories. So for the scissor itself, ito siya. So once you open it, it slides. So yan, nagsaslide siya. And then makikita niyo naman kahit sa box, sobrang premium talaga na, hindi tinipid. So it really goes to show kung bakit ganun yung pricing nila. Kapag sinlight mo yun, ito siya. So meron siyang embossed na yung Mizutani sword logo. And then meron din siyang Mizutani label. Tapos ito nagfi-flip siya. So like, kapag flip mo, so ayan, yun yung laman niya. So again, as you can see, even the packaging itself, kitang-kita mo kung bakit premium yung price. Aside from the craftsmanship behind each scissor. So once you open it, meron kang makikita na, of course, yung scissor, pero yan, naka-seatbelt pa sila para todo secured, right? Tanggalin muna natin yung scissor. Yung ibang kasama niya is your manual. Ito siya, yung manual. Tapos, the key, para ma-adjust natin siya. So, pati yung key niya, also has a Mizutani label there. Tapos even yung construction ng key is very nice. So, matte siya. And then of course, yung warranty card mo. So, Mizutani has a lifetime warranty as long as you take care of your scissors. Tapos, as you can see here, yung code niya na nakasulat sa warranty card actually has Philippines on it. So, mamaya close up ko na lang to, pero has Philippines on it. This represents na these are actually licensed products coming from Mizutani, Japan, for us here exclusively sa Philippines. So, may PH siya for Philippines. And then yung number, ng serial number niya. So, mine is serial 210001. So, I assume yung 21 is for the year 2021. And then, ito yung unang ginawa nilang scissor for my batch of orders. And then, here's the scissor. When you get your scissors, nasa ano rin sila, nasa orange na leather. Again, orange kasi yung trademark ni Mizutani na color. So, it comes in an orange leather casing and then may snap button siya. It secures the scissor para hindi siya matanggal. Right? So, here's the scissor. So, ayan siya. I'll probably throw in a B-roll there or anything para makita nyo siya close up. Pero, ayan siya. It's a 6.0. Bakit 6.0? Kasi for me, 6.0 is in between. I can do precision cutting. So, like, if magpa-precision cut tayo, right, hindi mo siya hahawakan. Or scissor over comb, I mean. So, if mag-scissor ko over comb kayo, pwede rin siya. So, it's the perfect size. So, parang it's in between precision and yung for over comb purposes. So, again, like, each and every scissor is meticulously handmade. So, unlike other companies, no, na yung hardware nila, others came from China or wherever. Si Mizutani, all of the components of the scissors came from their factory talaga. So, lahat ng to is handmade and it takes a minimum of 3 months to make each and every scissor. So, kahit doon pa lang, you would already know kung bakit ganun yung pricing nila. Also, hindi na siya stainless steel or madalas kasi na-market yung mga scissors as stainless steel or Japanese steel, right? So, this one is extra maris. It's a combination of cobalt and alloy na. It makes it more sturdier, mas matagal yung talim niya. And it's more efficient to use. I had the same scissor, yung We Love Hair. I've been using it for 1 year now. Tapos binubugbugot talaga siya. So, kahit may product yung hair ng client ko or wala, makapal yung buhok, manipis. So, every day binubugbog ko talaga siya for my every client. And so far, after 1 year, ang napansin ko siguro sa 100% na talim niya, mga 5% lang yung nabawasan. So, that's how effective and efficient each Mizutani scissors are. Kung bakit, yun din yung dahilan kung bakit. Kahit meron na ako, bumili pa ako ulit kasi it's really that quality. So next thing that we will unbox is of course yung Dyson. So again, this is my first time to open this. Binuksan ko lang siya ng konti to inspect yung laman niya nung binigay sa akin ng courier. Pero other than that, hindi ko pa talaga na-check ko. So hindi ko pa siya na-try. So let's unbox it. So it's a box in a box. So hopefully hindi siya ganun tanggalin. So ilagay muna natin yung box. So here it is. Ayan, Dyson Supersonic. So, pinili kong color yung black nickel. Para, yung iba kasi, meron silang black and violet, tapos black pink. Meron silang Chinese New Year edition na all red. Pero out of all kasi, parang, I personally like the color black. So, yun yung pinili ko for this. So, ayan siya. It's this one. Tapos, dito, nakasulat yung mga benefits of a Dyson hair dryer. And then here, yung inclusions niya. So, you have the hair dryer and then yung nozzles niya. So, we have 2 nozzles tapos 1 diffuser. So, the diffuser is for curly hair para mag-define yung, yung mga curls nila kapag curly yung client. So, medyo may kalakihan din siya, no? So, yung box niya. So, if you could see, here's my hand. So, here's the Mizutani box. So, medyo malaki siya. So, open na natin. So, again, it's another box. Tabi muna natin yun. Ayan siya. So, makikita mo dyan kung paano na-construct yung Dyson hair dryer. It's there. It's here. So, tabi muna natin yung mga boxes para hindi sila. So, ayan yan, yung hair dryer natin, which is in black nickel color. So, here it is. So, ayan siya. Ayan, even yung, yung cord niya, parang naka-box din, no? So this is one of the reasons kung bakit I really like buying high quality products. Kasi even for the packaging itself, parang di nila tinitipid. So that's that. And then here in this box, so meron tayo nung diffuser niya. Here it is, the diffuser. Tapos meron siya yung pad, a silicone pad, kung saan pwedeng ipatong yung Dyson hair dryer mo. So ayan. So siguro kung tatanggalin natin to, dyan natin siya ipapatong para scratch resistant siya. Lagyan natin box. So there it is. And then we have 3 more attachments. So yung sa attachments niya, ito parang medyo wide siya. So yung airflow, mas maraming airflow dyan. And then, ito rin, pa-horizontal din siya. Pero this is much lighter. So probably if you want more concentrated hair, ito yung pwede mong gamitin. And then ito is for, sorry, hindi pa kasi na-try ito. So, sign natin siya. So this is for gentle air attachment. It's cooler, gentle drying for fine hair and delicate scalps. So meron pa silang ganun. So ayan siya, yung attachment niya. So this one is the smoothing nozzle. It delivers a wide, smoother airflow for a smoother finish. Ito naman, wider and thinner for precision styling. And then ito, diffuser. So again, it defines curls and reduces frizz. So, ano pa laman ng box natin. So of course, other than that, meron tayo yung, ayun siya, parang yung thank you card for buying their products. Tapos where you can register your product to avail of the 2 years warranty ng product mo. And then of course, yung user manual. So, Ayan siya. So that's all the components of the box of the Dyson Supersonic. So ayan, siguro probably one of these days, parang gagawa din akong video on what I could do with this hair dryer habang nasa shop para makita nyo kung gaano ka-effective yung product na yan. So yun nga, you might be wondering bakit ako gumastos ng ganitong halaga for these two products. Well, personally kasi, I really admire companies who go way above beyond their limits into the research and development of their products. I have this belief that's called cost per wear. Ibig sabihin nun is the cost of the product on how much you use it. So for just to give you an example, for example, if you have a 10,000 peso product versus a 1,000 peso product, if yung 1,000 peso product is nagamit mo siya 10 times lang tapos nasira na. So parang binayaran mo siya ng 100 pesos kada gamit mo. If ever si 10,000 worth of product, 10,000 worth na product naman is nagamit mo siyang 10,000 times, it means parang nagamit mo lang siya. It means every time nagagamitin mo siya, parang gumastos ka lang ng piso. So ganun kasi yung mindset ko in buying my equipments or my tools. It's not really the price, it's not really the bragging right, but it's more of yung longevity ng product. So if ever kasi meron akong product na even if pricey siya, magtatagal naman, it would last me long, I think for me kasi mas sulit yung ganun kaysa going for a cheaper product na kaagad lang din naman masisira. Pero of course, kumbaga, nasa capacity din kasi ng tao. Of course, hindi naman lahat kayang i-afford to, hindi naman lahat may budget na maa-allot for these stuff. Pero kumbaga, it's just more of me sharing my sentiments on why I choose to buy these products to use on my clients. Yun lang. So, ano din kasi, like for me personally, of course, I would always want the best for my clients, the best quality service for my clients. And itong products na to would actually help me achieve that. Yes, you could still provide good quality service without this. I'm not saying na ito lang yung makakapagbigay nun. Pero what I'm trying to say is, for me, with these tools, I could achieve that more, or I could achieve it faster, satisfying my clients, and showing them na yung binabayad nila sa akin, it doesn't really go to waste. Kumbaga, hindi ko lang sila dinadala kung saan-saan, sinusugal o ano man. In fact, the money that I get from my work, I actually save for it to buy these stuff to improve my craft further. So again, this is the Mizutani. Sorry, pinox ko na siya ulit. So this is the Mizutani scissor. And the Dyson Supersonic. As much as possible, I would try to do another video of me using these products on my actual clients para makita nyo kung paano sila ginagamit and how they work. Baga in a salon or a barbershop setup talaga. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. So that's it, the Dyson Supersonic and the Mizutani Wheel of Hair. So alright, thank you for viewing guys. I'll see you next time.